Come test drive the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.